Hello. Today, let me introduce you the Febreze Spring Awakening Fragrance Car Air Freshener. Wow! With Odour clear technology, cleans away odours and leaves a light fresh scent. Spring Awakening is a light green fragrance inspired by springtime natural freshness. Doesn't mask but truly cleans away touch lingering outdoors such as food, pet, smoke and trash from your car. Leaves behind a light fresh scent. Each clip lasts up to 30 days. How we are going to activate it? There's a clip at the back side. This clip you have to pull a little bit until you hear a click sound. Now the fragrance car air freshener is activated. And there's a lever to set the volume of the freshness. Left is minimum, right is maximum freshness. Then you only have to push it back in position and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback and see you next time. Soon.